Welcome back to Trading Hour. The market is now at the day's high. The Nifty is nearing 22,100 as we speak. And one stock that is doing really well for itself is Bajaj Auto. And that stock is nearing the mark of 9,000 rupees a share. It made a high of 9,009 in today's trading session. It's now nearing very close to its buyback price of 10,000 rupees. Good time to get in Anirudh Garg, who is the partner and fund manager at Invasset PMS, who is joining us to discuss some more about the markets. Anirudh, good morning. Thank you so much for joining in. Before I ask you some other sectors, I want your views on the sector of the day, and that is IT. Are you in that camp who still believes that the prices of these stocks are still not baking in the fact that FY25 may also turn out to be another weak year as FY24 has been?
I think, first of all, a very good morning. I think the shallow cyclicity that we see in IT is over. And, it's just the last area of pain that we are seeing for us. We believe that IT should not be a problem going ahead. It's a good place. The valuations are there. And the growth concerns that we see currently, the markets, we believe they always price in the future. The next 2.5 years should not be very problematic for IT because the cyclicity that they experience every 5 to 10 years, I think that period is in the past now.
Right. Since you spoke of valuations, one pocket in the market where the street does not believe has valuation comfort is PSUs. And they've had a stellar run all through 2023. They're seeing a bit of a correction at the start of the year as of now. But do you, within this entire PSU basket, find a segment where there is still value?
See, we have been holding PSUs, midcaps and small caps for the last 1.5 years. We just exited all our positions and shifted to the quality phase because we believe that the markets overall are not, in a value zone now. These are expensive markets. A lot of money has been made in the last 1.5 year. And as important is the appreciation of capital, equally important is the preservation of capital and alpha that you have generated. PSUs have led the run. They'll keep leading the run going forward. There will be volatility in between. And, there'll be sharp up moves, sharper down moves. And till the valuation comfort comes, yes. In the last 1.5 years, last 18, 20 months, it's the first time that we feel that the valuation comfort is not there. And the last 1 month rally has, it's made them a bit okay. But still the valuation comfort for us is not there. We believe that another 15 to 20% downside from here in the mid and small caps, especially the PSUs and capex related industries, will put us in a zone of comfort back in.
You spoke of quality, Anirudh. Are you still holding on to any quality PSUs according to you? I wouldn't ask you names, but are there any sectors which you are still holding on to since you mentioned you've exited all your positions there?
I'm not shy of speaking of names. Yes, we are holding to quality PSUs like State Bank of India and the larger ones, I would say.
Okay. You spoke about IT, you spoke about a couple of these PSUs. In PSUs, defense and railways, they have seen the maximum run up. So when you are talking about, when you expect a further moderation in stock prices, what's the outlook on defense and railways? Because here people have the order visibility, the long-term picture looks good. The question is only about whether you should enter at these levels. Where do you stand on defense and railways?
See, defense and railways are the sectors of this run. Every run, maybe the 2001, 2008 had capital goods and real estate, followed by Reliance. Then we had IT, pharma, FMCG in the new economy. Again, in this old economy, it is capex and capex-oriented industries. Defense and railways are the biggest beneficiaries of the current government policies and have maximum relative change with them. We believe going ahead, they will lead the pack. The valuations in defense are giving me a little bit of comfort now than they were 3 or 4 months ago. Railways, we are still not very comfortable. Also, the behavioral science principles that set in a lot of funds focused on PSUs, railways, defense have come up. So, when the market gets overcrowded, you need a little bit of correction. So, are we bullish on defense for the next 2 years? Yes, we are very bullish on defense and railways. But yes, we are expecting deep correction in these pockets from time to time. And currently, the structure looks weak to us for the next 2 to 3 year horizon, or 2 to 3 months horizon, sorry.
Right. shifting focus from PSUs, Anirudh, to autos, and that is one sector that has been outperforming as of late. Bajaj, Tata Motors, TVS, Hero, all of them, you name them, and they are gaining almost 90 to 100% over the last 12 months. Where is it that you find your comfort with it, the four-wheelers or the two-wheelers? Or if I may add, the tractors as well.
So no comfort in tractors at all for us. The maximum comfort today is in four-wheelers, and especially Tata Motors and Mahindra. Both are fantastic companies, fantastic products. See, the world is going through a premiumization drive. The asset prices that have gone up post COVID has put in a lot of disposable income in the hands of the Indian consumer and consumers worldwide. So this premiumization shift that is helping every sector which is consumer oriented and is catering to a little bit of luxury, may it be cars, may it be hotels, airlines. So all these sectors should be the focus for the next 6 months to 1 year at least. So anything which is based on premiumization.
What about real estate? We've seen this acute water shortage in Bangalore, dire states right now. Is it impacting things on the ground for Bangalore real estate players?
I think that's a journey. That's a journey that everyone has to go through. Reforms come in, kick in from time to time. They are necessary. But real estate for us is one of the top picks, especially the luxury real estate, followed by industrial real estate, and then the normal housing, affordable housing. I don't think it will be a problem going ahead. I think it will fuel more purchases going ahead. Should not be a problem for Bangalore people.
Anirudh, good talking to you. Thank you so much for joining in and sharing your views on multiple sectors, especially the PSUs. We are expecting another 15 to 20% correction in some mid-cap and small-cap PSUs. Thanks a lot for joining in and sparing your time. Time for a short break here on Trading Hour. When we return, we throw the spotlight on the insurance space, and we'll be joined by Nuvama's Madhukar Ladha. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.